What up, fam? 9 million. Now I'm back with another vlog. Another day getting to another dollar, baby. So, I ain't did nothing all day outside the house. This is my first time outside the house. And it's because I got somebody interested in these dressers. I need to get them out of the compound anyway. Get them out of my boy's yard and onto my trailer so I can transport them and get them to where I need them to be. And just so happens, buddy hit me about them, so I'm gonna get them loaded up, hit this guy, see if he's still interested in meeting. If he is, meet with him. If he ain't, go on about my business. So yeah, that's what I'm on now. Check you in a minute. I ain't even really planning on getting on out here today, but duty calls. I put them up there for cheap, man. I'm trying to move them bad boys, get a few dollars, you feel me? I ain't trying to bust no heads and get rich. Somebody can easily buy these and make some money off of them because they're in good condition. Decent condition, I should say. They just need to be resurfaced. But yeah. Let's hit this guy up. We'll see what he says. Check back in a little bit. Peace. On our way to North County. I got a junk removal that I had set up for a few days now. Today's the day to get it done. Grand Rising Kings and Queens.
She just took a shit. Should I change the diaper right now?
Oh.
Or should I change it?
Welcome back to the channel.
Because
it's the same vlog, different day. It's the next morning. And the baby just took a shit.
Hi. Hi, Stinky. Stinky was stinky.
Stinky butt. What's stink? Actually, I ain't even do a walk around. Y'all saw me pulling it out. I'll do a walk around later. You walked around?
No, I thought that's what you was about to do.
Oh. So anyway, thanks for staying tuned in, y'all. Yesterday wasn't about nothing. So pick up back the camera. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Pick the camera back up, hit these streets, and bring y'all along for the journey. Trip 1 of 1. I'll head back down south, head back to the crib, man, see if I can drum up some more business. Tomorrow I definitely got some more work. Actually, no, I got some more work today. I got later on this afternoon. I'm supposed to go do a pickup and removal. Pickup and delivery around 3 or 4 p.m. So, I forgot. In the meantime, between time, I holla. Like the rappers be doing. Money, bitches. Millie Mob. Not Millie, and I'm back. It's a few hours later. Back out here in traffic now. On my way to do a pickup and delivery of some, looks to be like some not lawn chairs, but yeah, it's like backyard lawn patio chairs. There you go. 2 patio furniture moves. The first one is picking up these chairs, dropping them off. And at the same location I'm dropping them off, I'm taking another outdoor table to another drop-off location. That's what it is. It's a repeat customer. It's like my 3rd or 4th time working with this lady doing similar type of jobs. So yeah, I am mind doing it. got some blankets, I got some tape, I got some tie down, so hopefully I can avoid any chargebacks or any damage to these people's stuff. Stay tuned to see if I'm able to pull it off. Alright, y'all, it's like, it says I'm about 20 minutes away, so I'll check back in once I'm there on location, unless I see something out here on these streets that y'all need to see.
Hi.
Hello. It's these two?
Yes, just these two.
Okay.
Billy. No.
Did she pay you yet?
No, she hasn't.
I would help you right now, but I tore my ACL, so I'm not much help right now.
Do you have any apps, Venmo, or?
We have Venmo.
No. Yeah.
Hold on, am I at the right place? Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm standing right here. Yeah, she's right here. She said $40 a piece. Hold on 1 second. Okay, go ahead.
Hello.
Hey, in the ad it said $60 for both if you take both chairs, so that's what I was counting on.
Let me just check. It's my phone.
She's double checking right
Little thing.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it does say it here.
Okay,
Okay,
so we
perfect.
good.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, what's this?
that's my card.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, we just got to scoot by. I got a doctor's appointment for my ACL right now. Sorry about that, man. I would love to help, but I'm not much help right now.
No worries, heal up.
Yeah.
Got these little chairs. I'll show y'all at the drop off. I ain't getting no good pictures of my own thing, man, because that was a fiasco. I get there, I'm trying to deal with the situation with the money that was, I just seen the money come across my Zelle or whatnot, and I see it was like $75. And then I get there and I talk to the lady, she said $80. So I'm like, hold on. She just sent me say, hold on, let me make sure. So I sent the lady a message saying, you know, this lady saying $40 a piece, so $80. She was like, nah, she told me 60. I'm like, see, here we go, man. I'm caught up in the middle of this bullshit. So it wasn't that bad though. Lady went back through, saw the ad, and saw that it did say, it did say $60. She's trying to get me for extra cheese because I'm playing the man in the middle. That's what I get for playing man in the middle. That's all right, man. This lady cool. She pays fair and some, you know what I mean? She be tipping. And I charge fairly. She ain't never haggled me on the price. Like I said, she be tipping on top of it. And like I said, this is my like third or fourth job doing for her within a matter of a couple months. If that. Like, yeah, I'll say about 2 months, give or take. So yeah. I'm happy. Keep me busy, man. Make a few dollars off of this. Hopefully I can get this other job too. I didn't get confirmation if we're gonna do this table drop off today as well. Guess I'll find out when I drop this off. Oh shit, hold on. Did I bring my 1, 2? Yeah, alright, cool. I got it. Thought I left my dolly out there, man. I was about to turn around. Alright, y'all. I'll check back in and drop off. So I'm about 20 minutes away. Peace. about to say, man. This battery about to die on this bad boy. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be it for the vlog, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get this dropped off, and that's probably gonna be it. Definitely gonna keep hope alive, see if I can pull something else in for the rest of the day. Got my fishing net still out there working, of course. So if I can, if I will. If I can, I will. If I can't, I ain't. So I'll check back in tomorrow, man. Peace, love, happiness. Some more goddamn stairs. Yes, sir. That was a wrap, man. It was up a little short flight of stairs. It wasn't nothing crazy. I was trying to see if I was gonna have to bust ahead, you know, for a few more dollars or something. You know what I mean?